got back to the yard. I noticed something peculiar about this one of the cars I towed. Looks like it's got beer cans in the vehicle, and it's got something in the ashtray over there. I also noticed it's been wrecked a couple times. People that drink and drive tend to wreck their cars a lot more than normal people. There's a dent down there. Here's another dent. Lyft driver too. Anyway, we're gonna check that ashtray, see what's in that ashtray. I think this alarm's gonna go off. I believe. Yeah. Yeah, I can smell it. Out there's a DUI waiting to happen. Smoking weed and drinking, riding down the road. It'll get you put in jail and get your license yanked too. Yeah, if you don't run somebody over and kill somebody. I'm over here picking up a wrecked car for a account of ours. There's another one. Look at that wreck. Wow. They had to cut that one apart. Terrible, man. Look at that. That's what you see right there in the front seat. Wow. That's what drinking and driving does. Imagine whoever was in this car right here be injured pretty bad. But drinking and driving, it'll get you every time.
That's the neighbors right upstairs over me.
Okay.
Let them know.
Huh?
Let them know that's my neighbor right upstairs over me.
Well, he's taking up your parking.
Well, you have to speak to them.
Okay.
If you don't mind.
All right, I'll take care of it.
I'm sorry.
I'll take care of it. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, have a good one. I don't think she knows how this tow right here works. She told me I need to talk to her neighbor upstairs. He ain't got no tag on that car. She said I need to talk to him. I'll talk to him after I hook it. I got him right here. Hey, just throw these over here.
Yeah, he can have them.
Oh, he can have, yeah. Take
Okay,
you keep those.
so much.
I'm gonna jump you off.
I wanted to ask you guys, what do I do? I just got this from you guys, right? We just got it towed here because we need some work done to it. The tag's coming, but I don't want to put it back and you guys tow it again.
Well, listen, we're not gonna tow it again. Hey, we're not gonna tow it. We're not gonna tow it again.
Okay.
I'm actually the guy that towed it.
Okay.
But listen, hey, if you communicate with your office manager,
Yeah.
he wouldn't have towed it to begin with.
Okay, I'll let her know.
Hey, you mean to jump you off?
Yes, sir. Hey, you said you're not gonna tow it again.
Yeah. Hey,
Yeah, you said let the office.
if you communicate with the office manager, he won't tow it.
Thank you, man. These
Yeah.
are awesome. You gave me these.
Yeah, those are good ones.
Oh boy, you don't made his day.
Yeah.
These are good ones.
Hey, you should start. It should crank right up.
Good shit.
Yeah. Yeah, just keep in contact with your office manager. That's all you got to do is keep in contact with him. Yeah.
All right, it'll be okay.
We're not going to tow it again. Hey, I'm done over there. We're done there. We're finished. Y'all have a good one. Yeah, thank you. That's the way it goes, man. That's all they had to do. And they know now that they really knew anyway. If you get an orange sticker put in your car, you better talk to your manager. You can't just peel the sticker off and put some kind of fake plate to cover the tag. They tried to cover up that tag. Didn't work. But they were nice enough people, and maybe next time they'll just call the manager and get it straightened out. Because it's up to the manager what gets towed, not us. Anyway, I'm gonna drop this one. Got this BMW. Go ahead and drop it off. Anyway, that guy right there in that truck, the white Chevrolet service truck, he used to work here at McCullough. He yanked cars for a while too, until he went back to plumbing. He's a real experienced plumber, and he went back to plumbing again. Anyway, thought he'd put him on the channel. He's a real close friend of mine, Paul West. What's up, Paul? Hey, we're back again. We're at the front office of one of our properties. They called this piece of crap right here in. It's a wrecked Honda, tagged, taped on there, falling off. It's stickered multiple times. They want it gone. It's at their front office. So we're gonna go ahead and hook this thing, get it out of here. Anyway, we're gonna write this up, sign it out, and get it off the property. It's very likely somebody was having car problems with that wrecked vehicle, overheating or something, and they pulled off the main road right here, and they drove right in to this property and parked up here at the front office. They probably don't live here. If they did, they would have told the office it was their car, and the office would have gave them more time. But whoever parked here, they didn't communicate with the office. Anyway, I'm gonna sign it out and get out of here. So, she helped you?
¿Speak Spanish?
Yeah. Is nobody's in there?
No speak English.
Let me get Ruby. He speaks Espanol.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank
Yeah. So I'm just gotta put this ticket up.
Okay.
Yeah, he'll be here in just a second. I'll be right back. He's on the lift. I'll get him. Yeah,
Okay.
un momento.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem. Hey, you got a girl up there in the office. She'll speak no English. She's pretty nice. Yeah, and I told her you'll be up there in just a minute. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'll see you. Anyway, we're gonna go get some more impounds. We just dropped off that Honda, the wrecked Honda that was parked at that office. But we constantly, Ruby, the guy, the lot guy, he constantly has to move the cars all day. He's moving cars right now. We have to move cars literally all day long at the yard. Somebody has to move the cars and pull out the payouts, and move around the auction cars, because I mean, our lot's big enough for what we're doing, but the cars, like I said, they have to be moved all the time. So it's a big job to run the lot, and get the cars cleaned out. There's a lot of work. Ruby does pretty good. It's not an easy job working at the lot. Anyway, we're gonna roll to my next call.